Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. This lesson will not come to your exams. This is second periodic questions. Okay? So up to lesson 11 will come to your exam. Okay? Lesson 12, Rohin's Wisdom, page number 62. In this lesson, we are going to learn a story about one rich man and poor man. Okay? Long ago, many days, once upon a time, in a large city, big city, there lived a rich merchant. There lived one rich man who despised the poor. Who despised means who disliked to the poor people. Okay, so the rich man disliked the poor person. Okay, one day the merchant said that the rich man, he told one information that he would pay 1,000 gold coins. So he is ready to give 1,000 gold coins, but he gave one condition. So who can able to do that? That person can get 1,000 gold coins. The rich man told like that to anyone who could stand in the river for a whole night in winter. So in the winter season, who can stand in a whole night, full day at night, who can stand inside the river. So that person can get the 1,000 gold coins. The rich people, that rich man, he said like that. So now there was a poor man who lived outside the city. So one poor man, he was living outside of the city. He was not living inside the city. He was outside of the city. He was living there. So he came to know that the rich man told like that. So the city with his daughter Rohini. So that poor man, he was living outside of the city with his daughter. Her name is Rohini. So when the poor man heard of the merchant's offer, so when that poor man come to know that the rich man gave an offer to the poor peoples, that who can stand whole night in the river during the winter season, for that person the rich man can give 1,000 gold coins. So the who is living outside of the city, that poor man, he come to know that. So he decided to accept it. So Rohini's father, he decided to do that. He accepted his conditions. He went to the merchant and told him. So that poor man who was living outside of the city, he went to that rich man. Then he told, I am ready to do your condition. So what is the condition of rich man? So who can stand whole night in the river during the winter season. So Rohin's father, he was ready to do that. So he went and he told that to the rich man. So the merchant laughed at him and said he would never be able to do it. So when the Rohin's father told like that, the rich man, that merchant, he was laughing something else, because he thought that Rohin's father cannot do it. He cannot able to do that task. So he was laughing. As the poor man had nothing to lose, so the poor man told like that, I don't have anything else to lose it. Anyway, I can try it once, whether I can able to do it or not. He wanted to have a try. So Rohin's father wanted to try whether he can able to do or not, because he doesn't have anything to lose it. So he wants to try and he wants to win that task. So in this passage there is a one rich man. Okay, he doesn't like the poor people. So Rohini and his father, they were living outside of the city. So one day the rich man gave one offer to the poor people, that is, who can able to stand whole night during the winter season in the winter. So this offer come to know the Rohini's father. So he was accept that he was ready to do that. Okay, so he went and told to the rich person, but the rich man, he was not agree that. That means he was laughing because he cannot able to do that task. But the poor man, he is ready to do. He is ready to try that whether he can able to do or not. So the next passage. So on a cold evening, the poor man went to the river. So on a cold evening, the poor man went to the river and stood knee deep in the water. So in that day evening, Rohini's father went to the river and he was standing inside the river. It was too cold to the river and stood knee deep in the water. He was cold from head to toe, but he wanted to win. He was standing inside the river. He got cold full from head to toes. Full body he got cold. Then also he tried, he wanted to win. Okay? He was cold from head to toe, but he wanted to win. The 1,000 gold coins. He remained in the water till the sun rose. So he have a Rohini's father, he has a confidence that he can do it. So he was standing inside the river full night. He got full body cold. Then also he wants to win that 1,000 gold coins. So he was standing when the sun rose in the morning. Still he was standing in the water. So first the rich man, he was laughing anything else. He thought that the poor man, he cannot do it. He can't able to do because he maybe he can't have a good health. So no one cannot stand full night during the winter season in the river. So Rohini's father thought that I did not have anything else to lose it. So anyway, I tried once whether I can able to do or not. The poor man, he remained in the water till the sun rose. So Rohini's father, he was standing in the river till the morning. So he was won that task. After that, the poor man, he ran away to the rich man house to get the 1,000 gold coins. Let's see what the rich man told him. The poor man went running to the merchant's house to take the reward. So reward means that 1,000 gold coins. Rohini's father won the toss, so he wants that 1,000 gold coins. So he went to the merchant's house and he asked the 1,000 gold coins. The merchant was surprised. The rich man was surprised to see him. So he was surprised to see the Rohini's father. But as he was a greedy man, so he was look at him as a surprise. But the rich man also, he was a greedy. Greedy means he wants more money. He did not want to share to someone. So he wants more money. He did not want to give that 1,000 gold coin to the poor man. he did not wish to part with so much money. So he did not want to give 2,000 gold coins to the Rohini's father. How was it possible for you to stand knee deep in the river and such a cold night? So the rich man here asked how it is possible for you to stand such a cold whole night. How it is possible to you? Then the Rohini's father, he said, "Sir, a lamp was burning nearby." So Rohini's father gave reply to the rich man, "Sir, one firewood was burning nearby me. I looked at it and it gave me strength to stand the cold. So I took the lamp in my hand. So it gave me strength to stand in the whole night in the river." So he was standing in the river. He hold the lamp in his hand. So lamp burning, so that fire he gets some hot. So he can stand whole night in the river, such a cold winter season. Said the poor man. "Huh?" said the merchant. So he was shocked to see he is a talented. How his poor man was intelligent. "You have tricked me. You have tricked me. That means you cheated me. You were kept warm by the light of the lamp." So you were standing in the river, that same time you were warm up your body also. So you cheat me. I will not give you the 1,000 gold coins. So you cheated me, so I will not give you 1,000 gold coins. So what task the rich man gave to the poor man? Once upon a time in the city, big city, there was one rich man. He gave one task to the poor people because he did not like the poor people. So what is the task means? The task is who can able to stand in the river whole night in the winter season. So Rohini's and her father was living outside of the city. So Rohini's father came to that task. So he went to the merchant house and he accepted his task. So that time the rich man was laughing because he was a poor man. He cannot able to stand whole night in the river. That's why he was laughing. But the poor man gave reply to the rich man, that is, I did not have anything to lose. So I can try once whether I can able to stand in the river or not. So he went and he was standing whole night in the river. It was too cold. We know that during the winter season we cannot touch the normal water, but how it is possible to stand in the river whole night? So then also Rohini's father accepted that task. So he went to the river. He was standing, and the next morning he won the task and he went to the rich man's house to get 1,000 gold coins because he won the task. But rich man did not want to give the 1,000 gold coins because he was a greedy. Greedy means he wants more money. He doesn't want to share with someone else. Okay, so he was shocked. He asked to the poor man, how can you able to stand in such a cold whole night? Then Rohini's father gave reply to the rich man, because near me one lamp was burning, so I took strength from that. That means Rohini's father was hold the lamp in his hand whole night. So it gave warm up to him to stand in the river. So the rich man was shocked because how he has a trick. He has a trick, no? He was intelligent. So again he was shocked. Then rich man told to the Rohini's father, "You are cheat me. I told you to stand whole night in the water, but you got warm up the help of lamp. So I will not give you 1,000 gold coins." Okay, so he said like that, "I will not give you 1,000 gold coins."